Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing the top edge search keys for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14 to 14.8. The first three is called iPad switcher, customized iPad like grid switcher for iOS. Next is called Olympian lib, a library of things that I use in my tweets. Next is called Olympian preferences, library of a preference framework. For Arc is PP if dev latest, and just the regular version it's a PSP emulator for iOS. And this is called Android bar and adds the Android navigation bar to iOS. It's not fully compatible, obviously, because it's not Android, it's an iPhone, but it's pretty cool though. Like you kind of get some features and look of an Android on your iOS device. This is called Plus for Instagram, all-in-one tweak for Instagrams. This is all these features right here, as you can read. It's a great tweak alternative for Instagram Plus, and that one is not being updated anymore. But this one gives you a ton of features for the Instagram app. Let's see if frequently asked questions. It's called Gravitation. Adds gravity to your home screen by shaking it, and Gravitation. This is probably a newer one. Should do the same thing, I believe. By quick do activator. Centralized gestures, shortcuts, toggles, app switcher, and multitasking management for iOS. App drawer for iOS 8 to 12, which is actually updated. It's Android style app drawer for iOS 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, not compatible with iPads. It's called CC SIM. For dual SIM cards, you can quickly enable or disable one of the SIM cards through the control center. Display